2. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Pasha Fabian or SMN Babadenda as participant in the Bedasa Exam Challenge. In this next challenge, I will tell you about a book entitled Maling Kundang, publisher of Alik Media Kompetindo, author Mos Isnaini, number of type 6 billion text. Long time ago, in a small village near in the West Sumatra, lived a boy named Malin and his mother. Malin's father has passed away since Malin was a child. Malin had to live hard with his mother. One day, Malin asked his mother to allow him for finding a job in a big city. Malin said, I have to go now, Mom. I promise I'll come back for you. Malin was eager to change their life. Finally, with a hard feeling, her mother said, Alright son, I'll allow you to go but you must pay your promise. Malin answered happily. Alright mom, I'll beg and make you happy someday. In the early morning, Malin went to a big city by a ship. In a big city, Malin worked hard with his good-looking and diligent boy. So many women fell in love with him, including the daughter of the rich manager. Fortunately, Malin also fell in love with her. In order to marry the girl, worked harder until they had got success and married the girl. Malin's mother was getting old. She always came to assure every morning, waking his son for real. When there was a ship come, she always came drunk and asked about her son. Hi, do you see Malin? My handsome son. Where's Malin? The captain of the ship answered. No, Mom, there's no one named Malin, sorry. Malin's mother was asked and went to her house. It happened again and again. Malin became a rich merchant and had a beautiful wife. He forgot his promise to his mother. One morning, Malin's wife asked him to go on vacation. However, in the middle of the voyage in a big storm, both the ship there the ship had to board in the Plus Island. It was the land of where we small world. Many people come to see a big luxury ship, including Malin's mother. They saw Malin in the ship, they cried, Malin comes, Malin comes. Malin's mother heard that. She shocked and wept happily. She ran to meet Malin. She cried, Is that you, Malin? Is that you, my beloved son? Is your mother? Do you remember me? Malin was shocked and said, Son, she said that her son is true Malin? Malin became as mad to admit his mother. He answered arrogantly, Mother, oh no. My dear, I don't this poor old woman. Their Malin cried to his mother, Hi, you poor woman, get out of my ship. Audience, Malin's mother began sadly. Malin, my son, don't remember your promise. Why are you called cruel? I'm your mother. Malin answered slowly. No, you're not my mother. My mother was died. The old woman was really hurt. She got out of the ship while crying and clean on the ground. Oh my God, you know what happened to me? Please do you want to do? You want to do? Lightning struck and suddenly Malin turned into a statue. That's all the story of Malin Kundang. Thanks for your nice attention. And finally, I'd like to say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.